What's up, guys? Real quickly, I wanted to talk about your balance to limit ratios and the importance on your credit utilization. Guys, credit utilization, it accounts for 30% of your score. Why do you want to have high credit limits versus low credit limits? It's very simple. Let's just say conceptually, you spend $1,000 a month. If you only have a $1,000 credit card or a $1,000 credit limit, that's going to maximize your credit utilization. That's going to cause your score to plummet. I've seen it drop by as much as 100 points just by having 100% utilization. To whereas, if you build up nice high credit limits like $10,000, that same $1,000 balance is only 10% of your limit, which is going to keep your credit score nice and high. It's important for you guys to do that. That way the banks aren't taking advantage of you, charging you higher interest rates, because it's the same amount of money you owe. It's just the difference of one credit card versus another credit card with $1,000 or $10,000 in limits. Hope that was helpful, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.